You want me to start?
Sure.
Okay. Good morning. How is everybody today? I'm Blake Linton. This is Jeff McKinney. And that's a screen I've never seen. All right.
Sorry for the technical difficulty. Today we're going to discuss kind of what's the right time to build,
Right.
Things that might get in your way, things to think about. Of course, a lot of people are just always waiting for maybe prices to ease up a little bit. Now with COVID, of course, prices were escalated pretty good, but they've calmed back down. So really waiting on pricing, very rarely, at least in construction, do things go down in cost.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, everybody knows that the markets fluctuate all the time. Interest rates fluctuate, you know.
Right. And interest rates, you have to think a lot of people are, well, I'm going to wait till the interest rate goes down a little bit. But in the meantime, most of the time, some materials are going to go up. And that's just a fact of life. Just like most time, well, anything you buy, vehicles or anything, you can't go back 5 years and buy the same thing today for the same price.
You're absolutely right about that. So, you know, I try to, you know, when I'm discussing with my customers, you know, what's your goals right now and what's your goals in the future? You know, a lot of times families want to create a gathering place, or, you know, if you've got some family property and you want to create a gathering place to have your kids or your grandkids.
Right. Yeah, we're about to start a project in White House, Texas. Pretty neat deal. They built a Wood Creek as a family getaway, and unfortunately the highway department or the state is going to build a road right in front of their existing house. So we're just about to start a new one about a quarter mile from there. Same piece of property, but that's what they use this for, is a family gathering place.
Right. I mean, and there's no time like the present to get started on a project like that. You know, or if you're just looking for a family home, it doesn't have to be a gathering place. It can be just your second home, lake house, something like that.
Or you wouldn't believe how many people from the Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, Houston, San Antonio area, especially getting near retirement, are planning for their home. So you can't start planning too early, number one, but also just people want to get out of the hustle and bustle from those big cities, but still stay in kind of the vicinity for medical care or whatever. So there's a lot of customers. So it just, when it comes down to it, we're a great company. We build a excellent log home for getaways, for even your primary residences, but somewhere where your kids, hopefully grandkids, and everything will remember having family gatherings and holidays.
Well, that's like you said, that's where memories are made. You know, a lot of these people that are getting close to retirement, we're building them houses out in the country. They're using that for weekend homes, and then eventually, once they do retire, they'll retire to that log home, and then you know, have their family and friends out. It's just a memory maker, I guess you could say.
Sure, yeah. So Blake and I both live in our homes, in one of a log home.
Right.
So we really believe in our products, and it is a more relaxed way of living in a log home, and we've both had great memories in our homes. But speaking of holidays, just want to say happy 4th of July. Hopefully everybody has good plans to go out, have fun with friends and family. Think about during the 4th what it's about, our independence. Think about all of our veterans and first responders, people that serve us every day.
Absolutely.
And so take time to think of veteran, think of first responder, and remember the ones that have fought and died or put their life on the line for our freedoms, and have a great and safe 4th of July.
Be safe out there, and thank you for tuning in.